everyone! I've come to realize something, and that is that David and I take you along on a lot of hiking and camping adventures. But what we haven't shown you yet is our 1958 New Moon trailer that we've had for the last 7 years. So what I'd like to do is show you the inside and the fun and maybe a little quirky ways that we have decorated it. So, come along.
It's located in the Desert Sands Vintage RV Park in Borrego Springs, California, out in the desert. We found her there about 7 years ago, and she was just a shell. There was literally nothing inside except a very old refrigerator. In the very front of the trailer is our living room. We each have our own recliner where we spent many happy hours reading, relaxing, listening to music. It's where we come to just get away from it all. This shelf in the very front, we have just filled with all sorts of treasures we found in the desert and even in thrift stores. I've brought over lace curtains from Holland, and they look really nice in there. They let in a lot of light and a lot of fresh air. These tiny bookcases I found at a Goodwill, and they're also a place for us to celebrate Christmas with our kind of sort of Christmas trees. We like them anyway. You're going to see a lot of things painted blue. That was my job. When we first got this trailer, everything was painted kind of a dull beige, so I decided to pep things up a bit. It was a really fun time painting all those doors. I think it looks a lot better. We put in a vintage stove, and we've made many delicious meals there. We like to display a lot of our solar characters and rocks we've picked up on hiking trips on this little shelf. My husband surprised me with birthday cupcakes one year. Pink Panther likes to keep an eye on things, just in case. The first thing we put in was this mini split, and it's invaluable. Remember I told you about that old refrigerator? It's an international harvester, and it makes a great display case for all my magnets that I picked up on all our trips. My latest one is from Peru. In between the dining room and the bedroom is a really small bathroom. It just has the basics, but that's fine because we have a shower right next door. Okay, here's the best part. David and I installed those ceiling panels and the wood paneling on all the walls, including insulation, so we keep nice and warm in the winter. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and please subscribe. We'll have lots more content coming soon.